Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Ledger Nano X with Kraken. First, ensure your Ledger device has the most recent firmware installed for optimal security and functionality. Next, install the specific cryptocurrency application on your Ledger that corresponds to the asset you wish to manage. Finally, log into your Kraken account and locate the funding or withdrawal section to begin the process. To send crypto from Kraken to your Ledger Nano X, first open the relevant app on your Ledger and select Receive to generate a unique address. Carefully copy this address from your Ledger screen. Then, paste it into the Withdrawal Address field on Kraken. It's highly recommended to perform a small test transaction, initially to verify everything works correctly before sending larger amounts. When sending crypto from your Ledger Nano X to Kraken, begin by logging into Kraken and finding the deposit address for the specific cryptocurrency you intend to send. On your Ledger, open the corresponding app and select Send. Enter the Kraken deposit address and the amount. Crucially, review all transaction details on your Ledger device's screen to ensure accuracy before confirming and signing the transaction. Maintaining strong security is paramount. Always keep your 24-word Ledger recovery phrase private and secure. It is the master key to your funds. Enable two-factor authentication on your Kraken account for an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Lastly, double-check every single address and transaction detail on both your Ledger and Kraken before finalizing any transfer to prevent costly errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.